Instagram, how to add to highlights. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add stories to highlights, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether it is a current story that you have or whether it is the story from the past, you can add them to your highlights just like this, no matter how long ago they were. So for that, if you have a current story, you can open it up, and whenever you upload a story, let's say for example, what happens is that you'll just find that option called add to highlights here, and once you add them to your highlights, they will get added to the highlight that you select. Now let's say if it is a highlight or a story that you uploaded in the past and you want to add them, you can just tap on that particular highlight where you want to add it, tap the three dots option, tap on edit highlight, and these are the stories that are added to your highlight. You can go to stories and actually select the past stories as well that you want to add to your highlight, depending upon whatever else you prefer. This way you can go ahead and then actually add to highlight on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.